Hello students, welcome once again. Today we begin new chapter of geography, chapter number 3, that is humidity and clouds. My dear students, it starts with a figure. It consists of 3 pictures which shows different weather conditions exist in a particular place or at a particular time at different places. Let us start. Look at the pictures shown in the figure. Discuss the weather conditions shown in these pictures in the class and write the descriptions below in the boxes. Dear students, in the first picture, there is conversation between a couple. A gentleman says, "It is very sunny today. The wind has stopped blowing. I foresee sandstorms. Let's go quickly inside the house." Whereas lady says, "Yes, even I feel the same. Come, let's go fast." Dear students, in this picture, the weather condition is dry and hot. The place is Rajasthan, that is Thar. Now let us see the second picture. Here some people are traveling. There is conversation between Bade and Soham. While traveling, Soham says that it is very hot today. Bade says, "Yes, I am literally soaked because of the sweat." My dear students, in this picture, weather condition is hot and humid. The place is Mumbai, that is coastal city. Let's see the third picture. There is conversation between mother and children. Mother says, "Children, come fast. Wear your sweaters and then play again." Children say, "Mummy, please wait. Let us play. Please." My dear students, in this conversation, in this picture, weather condition is cold and dry. The place is Kashmir. It is Himalaya mountain. Dear students, now let us see geographical explanation. Generally, we keep talking about the weather conditions. We can identify the weather conditions through the conversations which we learnt. We experience the dampness or dryness in the air throughout the year. The changes occurring in the weather conditions in desert areas, coastal areas, and mountainous areas is evident from the figures. The students here evident means visible. Now let's see the first picture, which is about Rajasthan. Rajasthan lies in a region with dry and hot air. There is hardly any moisture in the air. People wear loose cotton clothes. In the second picture, which is about Kashmir, Kashmir Valley lies in a region with cold and dry air. Moisture is minimal in the air. People cover themselves with warm clothes. It means people from Kashmir, they wear warm clothes such as sweater, muffler, scarf, shawl, etc. Now let us learn about the third one, that is Mumbai. In Mumbai, the air is hot and humid. There the proportion of moisture is very high in the air. In addition, if dark clouds over the sky, the content of moisture in the air increases. My dear students, in the above discussion, the words hot, moist, cool, these words show the condition of the air. They relate to the content of the moisture in the air. Moisture in the air is invisible. Invisible means which we can't see. Can you see the moisture? No. It is not possible to us to see the moisture in the air. But it is the major component of air which is taken into consideration while discussing the weather of any place. My dear students, here as you can see the figure is grass. Whether early morning, you can see the grass, you will see there is the moisture on the grass. Dear students, for precipitation to occur in any place, presence of moisture in the air is very important. Dear students, precipitation means rain, snow falls to condense on the ground. Dear students, write down this meaning in the notebook. Now, let us see or let us think about it. During winters, when you exhale on the glass of your mirror, what happens? If you try to do this in summer, why doesn't this happen? My dear students, what is the answer? Let's see. During winter season, the moisture holding capacity of air is low due to low temperature, and therefore during winters, when we exhale on the glass of mirror, the condensation of water vapor present in the exhaled air takes place. As it affects, very thin water drops are found on the glass of mirror. Now, during summer season, the moisture holding capacity of air is high due to high temperature. Therefore, during summer, when we exhale on the glass of mirror, the water vapor present in the exhaled air gets absorbed in the air. Therefore, no water drops are found on the glass of mirror. My dear students, in this way, we learned the introduction of the lesson humidity and clouds. Now, the main part of this chapter is evaporation, humidity in the air. We will learn in our next video. Thank you and have a nice day.